27 years is not just a number, it is a journey full of hard work, dedication and achievements. 27 साल का जो ये सफर है ना, इसमें बहुत सारी जिंदगियां को एक नई उम्मीद हुई है, बहुत सारी जिंदगियों को नई स्माइल दिया गया है। केजीएमयू के पीडियाट्रिक सर्जरी डिपार्टमेंट ने सिर्फ ऑपरेशन ही नहीं किए हैं, उन्होंने ड्रीम्स को लीड किया है, फैमिली को रिलीफ दिया है और सोसाइटी को एक बेटर कल दिया है।
Sure, I won't take much time. Honorable Vice Chancellor Padma Shri Sonia Nityanand Ji, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sci-Fi Professor Ajay Singh Ji, and all the other eminent dignitaries on the dais, including eminent pediatric surgeons from all over the country. And I must make a mention of Professor Sumitra Biswas, who is the president of the IAPS currently, who's also with us today, and of course Professor Tandon. At the outset, let me congratulate on behalf of myself as well as the Spina Bifida Foundation, the Department of Pediatric Surgery for doing great service for 27 long years. On a personal note, I've seen Professor Kuril, Professor Rawat really offering day and night effort to make this department into what it is today.
My talk will be on a thanksgiving to the Department of Pediatric Surgery, KGMU, to invite me to this occasion of their 27th foundation. The Department of Pediatric Surgery, KGMU, has long cherished history of contribution to academics in pediatric surgery. The anterior surgical anorexia by Dr. Wakru, then the ectopic research repair for Dr. Puri, and probably many more will also is coming to our folder as academic thing.
Today I feel very proud to be a part of 27th Foundation Day and a CME on Spina Bifida. Spina Bifida is one of the important conditions that should be diagnosed as early as possible, must be intervened, and one of the special things is that physiotherapy. Our few departments like PMR, and department PR is here, and he must be seeing a lot of patients. And this is very important backbone of this disease.
In this hall, I actually feel humbled because I have my senior teachers here. I have my colleagues occupying important chairs. I have friends in the hall, and I see a single defense personnel, a senior officer. I congratulate the department on this occasion, and I just add one small thought. You talk of a multidisciplinary management, but you forgot the ophthalmologist. Spina Bifida is associated in many syndromes, the golden heart syndrome. That's the commonest. And spina bifida in serious cases has a lot of optic atrophy.
सबसे पहले मैं डॉक्टर रावत का धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि आपने मुझे याद किया और मुझे मौका दिया कि मैं आपके बीच में आ सकूँ और अपने सभी बहुत सारे मित्र जो मेरे यहाँ बैठे हैं उनसे रूबरू हो सकूँ। मैं प्रोफेसर सोनिया और डेप्यूटी वाइस चांसलर KGMU, प्रोफेसर R.K. टंडन, माय टीचर, प्रोफेसर अजीत, प्रोफेसर पुरी, प्रोफेसर रावत और सभी एस्टीम्ड गेस्ट स्पीकर्स ऑन द डायस ऑफ द डायस, मैं आप सब लोगों को अपनी तरफ से बहुत ज़्यादा धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सबसे पहले विद द परमिशन ऑफ आवर चीफ गेस्ट, आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट प्रोफेसर सोनिया बिकॉज प्रोफेसर सोनिया दिस इज योर बर्थडे टुडे। हम सब लोगों की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ऐसे ही आप इंस्टीट्यूट की सेवा करते रहेंगे और हमेशा हेल्दी रहेंगे।
Dr. Ajay Singh, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the UP-UMS, Sakai. Dr. Abhijit Kaur, Pro-Vice Chancellor of King George's Medical University. Dean KGMU, Professor Virendra Adam. Our guest of honor, Professor Sumitra Kumar Vishwas, who's also the president of IAPS, Professor Santosh Karmakar, who's a consultant pediatric surgeon in the Lilavati Hospital Research Center, and I think the president of the Spina Bifida Foundation. Dr. J.D. Rawat, head of the department, Dr. S.N. Puril, ex-head of the department and one of the founder heads of the department, and my dear Professor R.K. Tandon. Can you hear me, sir? Yes. So, the ex-head of the department of pediatric surgery. You know, while I was sitting, he said, I'll address you as dear Sonia. I said, I'll be very happy because he's been one of my esteemed teachers in pediatric surgery. All the other distinguished guests, the eminent faculty members from within KGMU and from outside KGMU, I can see some people from Aravind Institute and from the armed forces. So, and all the staff of all the residents of the department and all the staff of the department, each and every staff. So first of all, many congratulations on this 27th Foundation Day of the department, and as highlighted by the anchor of this program, she very beautifully highlighted that this shows 27 years of a glorious journey of dedication, commitment, hard work, leading to the department to come up to this stage.
A department which started with Dr. Vaklu, late Dr. Vaklu. My respects, my remembrances to his honorable soul. Then Dr. R.K. Tandon, then Dr. Kureen, and now of course Dr. G.V. Rawat.
Our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am, to bless us with her words and encouraging us, and whose support, our university took new heights, and I hope that with her support, our department will also go further. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to thank our guest of honors, Professor Abhijeet Kaur ma'am, and Professor R.K. Tandon sir, and all the guests of honor and distinguished guests. And now I just give my thanks all the guests who come in this inauguration ceremony and make this inauguration ceremony successful. And lastly, I just thank all my residents, staffs, with whose hard work this department is growing faster and giving services to patients, so that patient is going taking the successful treatment and going home. And lastly, I like to thank IT cell and media persons and for making this program successful. Thank you.